Welcome back! There are about a million different delicious recipes you could grill, but there are very few that are simple and don't require any special ingredients. Lucky for you, I've got something that will knock your grilling game out of the park. Today, we are cooking up one of our family favorites, the juiciest orange chicken drumsticks. This combo is finger-licking good. Let's get started. You will only need 3 ingredients: chicken, orange juice and black pepper. Get those drumsticks into a bowl and pour that orange juice all over them. Sprinkle in some black pepper and mix it up. Go ahead, give them a shake. We want every inch of that chicken to be covered in that citrus glory. Now, this is the part where you will need patience. We are marinating for at least 4 hours. But if you've got the time and the willpower to not dive in early, let that bird soak overnight. Alright, fast forward to marinated chicken day. After it gets nice and hot, toss your drumsticks on the grill. Here is the thing, your grill has personality. Some parts are like, bruh, I'm blazing hot, and others are like, I'm just chilling, doing my thing. So, keep an eye on your heat zones. Place the drumsticks in the middle to start with, and then move them around. You want to grill these for about 20 to 25 minutes, turning occasionally. Oh, and if the flames get a little too excited, move the drumsticks to the cooler side. We are going for even roasting here. You don't want any neglected or pale sides on these drumsticks. Get in there, flip them over. Show each of them your love. This is a very hands-on process. Don't run away from your grill. Would you look at that? Crispy on the outside, juicy inside, and that citrusy glaze is just begging you to dig in. You might want to make a few extras, because once they hit the table, they disappear faster than live fire at a family reunion. The meat is tender and will fall right off the bone. Each bite is a burst of flavor melting in your mouth. Crispy, juicy, a little sweet, a little tangy. It's the perfect balance of science and art. Grab a plate, pile them high, and dig in. Remember, barbecue is all about having fun, experimenting with flavors, and impressing your friends. Whether you tell them your secrets or just send them to this video, that's up to you. Subscribe and hit that like button.